In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin your post in CoinMarketCap. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just getting started, pinning a post can help you highlight important information, engage with your community more effectively, and ensure that key messages don't get lost in the shuffle. So let's dive in and explore the simple steps to pinning a post on CoinMarketCap. First, you'll want to log into your CoinMarketCap account if you aren't already. Once you're on the CoinMarketCap homepage, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This action will lead you to a drop-down menu with several options tailored to managing your account and community interactions. Next, find the option labeled My Community Page. Click on it to enter a space where your posts and community engagements live. This page is effectively your personal hub on CoinMarketCap. It's where you can communicate your thoughts, share insights, and of course, pin important posts. Now that you're on your community page, you'll see a list of posts you've made in the past. To the right of each post, there should be a subtle icon, typically represented as 3 small dots lined up vertically. This icon signifies additional actions you can take with that specific post. Click on these 3 dots to open a menu that allows for more in-depth post management. From the menu that appears, select Pin Post. This special action lets you keep a particular post at the forefront of your community board, ensuring that it's the first thing your audience sees when they visit your page. After selecting Pin Post, you'll be prompted to confirm this action with a simple click on Pin. CoinMarketCap provides this double-step feature to ensure that you really want to pin the post, helping you avoid accidental changes to your community display. Once you confirm, your post is successfully pinned, and that's pretty much all there is to it. Pinning posts on CoinMarketCap can be a valuable tool to ensure your most important messages remain accessible and noticeable for any visitors or followers on your community page. Whether it's an announcement, a piece of insightful information, or something you're particularly proud of, pinning helps keep it front and center. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to use this feature to maximize your engagement and keep your community informed and interactive. If you have any questions or want to explore more CoinMarketCap features, make sure to check out our other tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy pinning!